except Roman numerals. Do you have Roman numerals? I think the topic was eliminated. Let me see what are the questions here. Indian system, international system, numbering, mentioning this part was over, and application sums. We are doing application
Ma'am,
sums.
the estimations one is also deleted, right?
Left. Yeah, estimated is deleted. I'll just give a clue how to do, but it's in this chapter, it's not given.
Ma'am,
It's
why,
already
ma'am?
deleted.
In fifth class, we were estimating, right?
No, the once rationalized syllabus was given, they deleted everything. Only we have these are the second exercise, no estimation, nothing. Because earlier year, after Corona, there are a few topics are deleted in that estimation also. Then we'll go with one or 2 points, nothing an issue. Will just this is rationalized one only, Nana. After
Okay.
rationalized new 2023-24 portion.
Okay.
The textbook also changes. Children don't take old one. You can take from new textbooks, revised ones only.
The new ones are not yet
Eight
given
about
to us.
okay, okay.
So
So
I'm
meanwhile, you
holding
can
the
download.
I'm using the old one.
Okay, fine. If not available, also you can download from NCRT portal better.
Okay.
Hmm?
Ma'am,
Coming back. Ashwath, please give a minute time, but I'll come back. Yeah. Nana, Ashwath, sorry, and Deepika, where we are in previous class, I think Kirti bookstore question was done, right? And even greatest small digit and I think 5 bits was done in previous class. Shall we complete from 6 to 12 today?
Yes, ma'am.
This is our task because once this chapter was done, tomorrow we are going with the complete chapter test. Most of the chapters were deleted, but we are not sure what type of questions are going to get for your exam. But you should be little alert. Whatever concepts are there, you should be more concept should be learned very thoroughly. We'll start with Deepika. Question number 6. Can you read Deepika once?
Yes, ma'am. A machine on an average manufactures 2,825 screws a day. How many screws did it produce in the month of January?
Good. Ashwath, by reading the question, what operation we have to do here?
Ma'am?
You see the question, read the question, and how many screws did it produce in the month of January to 2006? They mentioned an average manufactures in a day is given. So you need to find out for the month. So suppose the same, just I'll give one example, Deepika here. Every day mama is giving 10 rupees for your pocket money. You can purchase anything in your from your canteen. Like that, she is giving 10 rupees. For whole month.
Ma'am,
For whole month.
multiplication.
Wonderful. For multiplication. This is also same type of question. One day machine averagely manufactures
Ma'am, the
sounds of
answer Ashwath gave maybe, right?
Okay. Ashwath, this is Ashwath part.
Yes, ma'am.
Ashwath, please better
I
unmute
read
and
the question, but you asked the question that
who
what
said
the
just now multiplication?
ma'am multiplication I said, but the before answer Ashwath said.
Okay, fine. Then you can finish up this steps also so that we'll go with our second question, Ashwath. Come on, Deepika, please. What is the first statement we can write over here by looking
Ma'am,
this
total
question?
number of screws a day manufacture in
Number of screws manufactures in a day.
yes, ma'am.
Very good. Is 2,825. How many screws did it produce in the month of January 2006?
Ma'am, total number of days in January are 31. So we have to multiply
Yeah.
2,825 with 31 to get the answer.
Yeah. Why we should multiply with 31 days? Ashwath, did you understood? She said the month of January having 31 days. That's why we are multiplying with 31. Suppose the same question I'm given for 2 months. So suppose 2 months, Jan month and Feb month. It's non-leap year. Or else for whole year, you can suppose if I'm asking for whole year, how many screws are going to produce? 1 year, how many days? How many days for
365.
if it
Ma'am, I
is
got the
yearly?
answer.
Very good, very good. What's the answer, ma? Question
Ma'am,
number 6.
87,575.
87,575 is the correct answer. Therefore, 80 so and so screws were produced in the month of January. That's your conclusion statements. Also, you have to give it. Very good. Is it clear, Deepika? Can we move to the next question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Did you write the steps in your notebook, or else can I write
Ma'am,
on
they
the
are
board?
already done in our class.
Okay. You are advanced.
We
It's okay,
have
right?
already
First,
started the chapter number 2,
chapter number 2. What is your chapter number 2? The
whole
fractions and
numbers.
decimals. Oh, this is classics, whole number. Right. We will start in the next week. From Monday onwards, we are going.
Okay,
Because
ma'am.
we have some other 2 days holidays in this week. Probably class 7 only missing, class 8 is not missing those 2 days. Right, Deepika. Ashwath, come on, beta. Question number 7 for you. Read the question. Try to identify the
Merchant,
operation.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
on, come on.
A merchant had 78,592 with her. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets at
Rupees symbol. That's rupees.
rupees 1,200 each.
Very good.
How much money will remain with her after the purchase?
Very good. So what is, suppose you have amount with you. Who is merchant means what is the meaning for merchant? Who are merchant?
Ma'am, who sell things.
Very good. Who sell things is a merchant. He is initially having amount as 78,592. She placed an order for purchasing 40 radio sets. So each set cost is rupees 1,200. How much money will remain after her purchase? That's the question. So what we should do here?
Ma'am, divide.
Sure. Ashwath, please think it. Suppose I am just giving one more example. Please listen the question. You have 10 rupees. You have 10 rupees. You placed order for 6 pencils. Each cost is 1 rupee. How much amount left with you?
Ma'am, 4.
How you are saying 4?
Ma'am, I was subtracted with 10, 6.
Why you subtracted 6? Suppose you have 20 rupees. Listen the same question. You have 20 rupees with you. So you purchased 6 pencils of each cost rupees 2. Well, how much money was left over with you?
0.
Deepika, please respond. Deepika, Ashwath said without pain, he gave 0 answer. Is it correct, Deepika? Suppose I gave 20 rupees to you. You
Yes,
place
ma'am.
order for 6 pencils, each cost rupees 2.
Yes, ma'am.
How much amount left with you?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, how many? I have 20 rupees with me.
Yeah, initially I gave 20 rupees with you to purchase something. You place order for 6 pencils cost rupees 2 each.
Ma'am, I
Uh,
took 10.
Ma'am,
What?
the remaining cost will be 8
Hmm.
rupees.
Oh, remaining amount left with you is 8 rupees. How you did? How you did? Deepika, please help to Ashwath too.
Ma'am, you said that I have 20 rupees with me.
Yeah.
I I bought 6 pencils. Each
Yes.
costed for
Rupees
rupees 2
2.
rupees.
Yeah.
Now I needed to multiply 6 into 2.
Very good. That means 6 pencils multiplied each cost rupees 2. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So that what you are getting 12 rupees.
Yes, ma'am.
So how much amount you spent, you gave to shopkeeper for buying pencils?
I gave 20 rupees to him.
20 rupees, and you are purchasing for order is 12 rupees. How much amount gave back from shopkeeper or left with you? It's 8.
Ma'am,
Obviously, it's 8. Very good. Right. Ashwath, the same concept apply here. I gave, yes, Deepika, I think Deepika is clear. Ashwath, please try for same thing, same you have to apply. I'll give 5 minutes time also, you're supposed to tell.
Ma'am, 30,592.
30,592. Is it correct, Deepika, what Ashwath is given? Deepika?
Ma'am, I'm doing it 1 second.
Yeah. What you did, Ashwath, first step?
Ma'am, I multiplied 1,200 with 40.
Very good, very good, very good, wonderful, excellent.
And I subtracted the answer with the
Number, given number.
7.
Very good.
Yes.
Good, good, absolutely correct, Ashwath. Just before what you said, you're dividing, you said, is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No, now you understood. Very good, Ashwath. Same thing, we have to apply for the day-to-day life applications. Then it makes mathematics is more easy than instead of doing directly. Yeah, absolutely correct, Ashwath. Same right. You can read the question number 8 also, Ashwath.
A student multiplied 7,236 by 65. Instead of multiplying by 56, by how much was his answer greater than the correct answer?
So he should multiply it with 65, but what he did, he multiplied reverse 56, 65 reverse he wrote and written as 56. What is what we should do? Deepika, please think about the question number 8 and Ashwath 2. Please try to write the statements for me. What happening here? How many more times he multiplied? Generally, he should multiply by generally he should multiply with 56. What happened? He multiplied reverse the number 65. How much answer greater than the correct answer?
No, ma'am. He should multiply by 65. Instead,
no. A student multiplied already he did with 65 instead of multiplying 56. So how many? What is the step? So what is the number? 7236. Let me clear the screen. I'll help you. A student. Suppose a student multiplied. Question number 8, I think. Multiplied 7236, right? Multiplied by 65 instead of what? 56. How much greater answer he got? That's our question. 7236 by 65 by 56. How much greater? What you will do generally? You are going to multiply these two, then you are going to multiply these two, then you are subtracting, right? Is it the way? Is it the way? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Ma'am, can you repeat?
Yeah, first we should multiply with this, then we should multiply with this, then you are subtracting. That is the greater number you are doing. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Instead of doing this, so can we use distributive property here? You just see if I write like that equation, can we use distributive property here?
Ma'am, after multiplying these both numbers, we have to
subtract.
Find the difference of both the products.
So difference means we are subtracting. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we use any property here? Can we use distributive property here to simplify? Can we use distributive property? Can we use distributive property?
Yes, ma'am.
What is distributive property? A into B minus A into C is nothing but A into bracket B minus C. Yes?
Yes.
Now 7236, if I'm taking common, what is the number inside 65 minus 56? So it's 7236 multiplied with 55, 65. That's 9 times. So multiplied with the 9 means 7 6 are 6 7s are 54. 6 9s 9 6 are 54. 27, 32. 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3 21. 7 9s are 63, 64, 64. Same answer you are getting. Please check once, children. 65,124. The products after multiplying, then the difference you should find out. So instead of doing, you can use directly distributive property. So distributive multiplication over subtraction. So A into B minus C we can use to simplify the question, we can use, or else you can go with this product and this product, and later you have to subtract these two. Check it, children. Please do it and text me message whether it is correct or not.
Correct, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Did you get the same answer? 65,124, Ashwath Kumar?
Ma'am, wait.
Ma'am, the answer is correct.
Correct. Please do. I'll give the question. You can see, Ashwath. Very good. Both are actively participated. 2 students enough like that if who are focusing and doing some. No need of group, a big crowd also. Deepika, please go through the question number 9, ma. Please read the question number 9.
Yes, ma'am. To stitch a shirt, 2 meter 15 centimeter cloth is needed. Out of 40 meter cloth, how many shirts can be stitched and how many cloth will remain?
Yeah. Don't tell Deepika. Ashwath should answer here. Ashwath ji.
Yes, ma'am.
See, Vita, here there is a 40 meters cloth. Mama is giving us 40 meters cloth. We are making with that cloth some shirts. So there are each shirt requires 2 meters 15 centimeters cloth. How many shirts we can make with that 40 meters cloth and how much cloth is left over? That's our question. What we should do? We are equally distributing for each and every shirt, right? Equally distribution is nothing but?
Ma'am, we should divide.
Very good. It's a division. It's a division. So, but it is meters and centimeters. Any changes we should made for this? Because 40 meters
We should make it decimal.
Very good. We should make it as decimal, or you can convert into centimeters. That's a thing we can do. So 40 meters. What is the cloth with you? Cloth total cloth with you. The length of the cloth. Total length of the cloth is 40 meters. Total cloth width us is 40 meters. For each shirt, cloth required for each shirt is how much? 2 meters 15 centimeters. That is 2 meters means 215 centimeters. You can write it as 215 because 2 meters means 200 centimeters plus 15 centimeters gives you 200. So if you convert this as meters to centimeters into 100, you should multiply with 100, which is 4,000 centimeters. With 4,000 centimeters, each shirt requires 215. Like that, how many shirts you may get? That's here. You need to do division. Therefore, number of shirts made with the cloth. Number of shirts can be stitched is equal to 4,000 divided by 215. So you know division, right, children? 215 ones are 215. It's 5. 9 minus 1 is 8. 3 185. Bring down 0. So here 2150 is 10 times. Let me check with the 9 times. 9 times 9 5s are 45. 9 ones are 9, which is 13. 9 twos are 18, 9. So 9 is more than that. That's so we can go with once again 8 times. So subtract 1 7. This is 8 times. 1720. How much cloth was left over, children? Centimeters. This is the centimeter cloth was left over. So how many shirts we can made? We can made 18 shirts. Therefore, with given cloth, we can make 18 shirts. And leftover cloth is, we can make 18 shirts and leftover cloth is 130 centimeters or 1 meter 30 centimeters. We can write anyway. Because they may give the leftover cloth also they're asking in the question. So what is given 40 meters cloth? Each shirt required 2 meters, 15 meters. You should convert everything into centimeters. Then we are getting easily 18 shirts. The remainder is the leftover cloth. Quotient is the number of shirts. Hope you understood, children.
Yes, ma'am.
This is one of the application parts, children. The same way, 10th also the same. Medicine is packed in boxes. Each weight is, each box is this much. How many such boxes can be loaded? A van cannot carry it beyond 8,800 kgs. Here also we are going to equally distributing for each and every box. So it is also division. It's also division. But kgs, Nana, did you understood or else can I help you once again the questions?
No, ma'am.
Very good. See, medicine is packed in the boxes. So we have a van. A van cannot carry beyond from 800 kgs. It can carry only below 800 kgs. It won't carry more than, if you keep more than that, it won't bear. That is the capacity of that van. So how many boxes can be packed? That's our question. How many such a boxes can be loaded in the van? That's the question. So what you have to think here. So capacity of van, or the van can carry 800 kgs. Capacity of van, or a van can carry 800 kgs. 800 kgs grams, if you want to convert, you should multiply with grams. 1 kg to gram is how much? How much, children?
1,000.
Ma'am, 1000 grams.
1000. You should multiply with 1000 to make Now each medicine, weight of each medicine box. Weight of each medicine box. Box is 4 kgs. How much it is given, Nana? 4 kgs, 500 grams, right? So that means 4 kgs, 500 grams. If you convert into grams, 4 kgs means 4,000 grams plus 500 grams. Total together 4,500 grams. Now, number of boxes can be loaded in a van. Number of boxes can be loaded in van. How much, children? It can be loaded in van is 800 into 1000 because we are multiplying with then 4,500. So cut 2 zeros, 2 zeros. Then 2 times 9 times. 8 twos are how much, children? 1600 by 9. If you divide 9 tables 1600, you can easily go with how many boxes it can carry. 9 ones are 9. And so 7, bring down 0, 9, 63, 7, bring down 0, 7 times 63, and here 7. So how many kgs we can, children? We can carry. Number of boxes can be carried.
177.
Boxes can be carried, and leftover part, if they're asking the leftover, there are 7 grams are leftover. You just neglect this. You can only how many boxes they're asking, how many boxes can be loaded in a van so that the van can carry, means there are 177 boxes can be loaded in a van. So if you keep more than that, the van cannot carry. The capacity of van is only that part. All right, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Hope you understood. That's Ashwath. Did you understood, Nana?
Yes, ma'am.
Can I wait? You will do. Can you do these 2 bits through chat? Can you answer last 2 bits? 10 minutes time for you. Try to read the question. Try to understand the question. Give the statements too. I want to say step by step. Please try it. You take your 10 minutes time.
Ma'am, I have done the 11th bit.
Hello, Ashwath. What is 11th bit? What we should do?
Ma'am, we should multiply with the number.
Very good. First, what is the first step, Ashwata? You see, you just think about your home and school. There is a 1 kilometer, 875 meters between your home and your school. Every day you are walking both ways. Yes or no? You are walking, you are going to school and coming back. Huh? That means every day how much distance you are doing?
Ma'am, 1 second.
Yeah, please add up and give it so that it's easy for me.
Bye.
Deepika, are you doing?
I know the answer.
First
One
you
day,
tell in one day how much distance you are walking.
ma'am, one day we are walking 3,750 kilometers. I mean, meters.
Kilometers. Okay, I'm wondering how she can walk that much distance.
Meters.
Okay,
3,750 meters.
very good. That's true. If you walk that much distance in 6 days, how much you are doing?
Ma'am, 22,500.
So can we write it as a 22 kilometers and 500 meters?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. That is the distance walking in a week, in 6 days. Ashwath also same, he said the same point, right, Ashwath? Same thing, right? In one day, how much? In one day, what is the distance? In one day, how much distance you are traveling? I think you said just now, right?
$3,750.
Right. 3,750 or else 3 kilometers, 750 meters. You can write it both ways better. No need of expressing in meters only because we know decimals also how to representation, right? Very good. This for 6 days means you are multiplying with
6.
yeah, that's all. And go with the 12th bit, but you have to write step by step statement wise, Nana, in the notebook.
Ma'am, I'm done with the 12th bit.
Very good. 12th bit also, Deepika.
Yes, ma'am.
What is 12th bit? Can you read the question?
A vessel
Deepika.
has 4 liters and 500 ml of curd.
Hmm.
In how many glasses each of 25 milliliter capacity can be
Hmm.
filled?
That means is we are distributing equally in each glass, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Equal distribution is nothing but division, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So what we should, how you supposed to do here? Directly we cannot do,
Ma'am,
right?
now we have to convert 4 liters and 500 ml into milliliter, which is
How much it is? How
4,500
much it is?
milliliters.
Very good, Deepika. 4,500 milliliters. Divide with?
25 ml.
So what is the answer?
Ma'am, 180 glasses.
Very good. It can be, we can fill for 180 people. Each capability for 25 ml. Same like in your home also, if any guests are coming, you can estimate capacity of each glass and how much you supposed to, how many glasses you can fill with 1 liter of curd or one buttermilk, anything, juice or something, you can plan it perfectly, right?
Yes, ma'am.
That's all, children. That's all for the day. I'm not going much about today. That's about your chapter. Ashwath, did you understood all the questions from the lesson?
Yes, ma'am.
Please complete all the part step-by-step statements. Also, you're supposed to write and fill it and keep sign from your parent because tomorrow is a Sunday, right? So we have Sunday test in chapter 1. Monday onwards, we are going with chapter number 2. What's the second chapter?
Whole number.
Whole numbers. We are going with whole numbers. That's all for the day, children. Bye. Have a nice day, children. Any
Thank you,
doubts?
ma'am.
Any doubts? Any doubts? Any doubts
No,
today's
ma'am.
session?
No, ma'am.
Good thing.
Ma'am,
Right.
today's session
Yeah.
is, ma'am, 8.
Today's till 9, till 8. No, beta, 15 minutes earlier we'll close up because almost 45 minutes continuous 2 hours class. My eyes are blinking. We are next class. I will take Nana. Next.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Can I give a small quiz on this chapter?
Yes, ma'am.
I know. That's why you are waiting. Okay, Deepika, please prove yourself. Both only two are there. My two kids, lovely two kids are there. Who are the winners? Each one is